For as long as I can remember, Gmail has been trying to shut down cold email, releasing new limitations, spam policy, basically doing everything to stop bulk email sending. There's literally no time left. You have to act now if you want to keep booking hundreds of sales calls every month. That's why I'll share exactly what Gmail is doing to push all of your cold emails to the spam and how you can ensure that it doesn't happen to you. We all know the changes that happened earlier this year. Gmail asking you to include unsubscribe links, forcing you to stay under 0.3% spam rate. A lot of changes happened 9 months ago. You adjusted, everything is going smoothly, and now you're disturbed again. What is happening now is a lot different from what you experienced in the past. Thing is, Gmail has started using Gemini, their AI model, to filter out spam and malware, meaning that Google is now using artificial intelligence to scan each email sent to any Gmail mailbox, pushing any suspicious emails to the spam folder. Now, what does this mean to you? Well, a lot of things. First, before you can do anything, you have to understand how this AI tool works. The large language models, or LLMs, used by Gmail detect semantically similar content to filter out spam messages. Now, don't worry, this word was new to me too. Semantically basically means that it has a similar meaning. For example, the words and phrases "the destination" and "the last stop" are semantically similar. Semantics are like synonyms but for full phrases or words. Where am I going with it? Well, Gmail has more than 3 billion users. This means Gmail has billions and billions of emails to train their LLMs on. And this means that the LLMs become super efficient at identifying spam and malicious content. You know Nigerian prince scammers or promotional content? People luring you to make money with cryptocurrency or NFTs? All of these emails, millions of them, are analyzed and filtered out. Now, I know you're not sending any scammy emails or anything like that, but that's where the semantical processing comes in. If your emails include anything similar to those phishing and scamming emails, you're done. You're going straight to the spam folder with no hope of returning. So what should you do, you may ask? Well, you have to ensure that your emails look nothing like those scammy emails. Make sure that there's no way for Google to identify any similarities between your cold emails and whatever those Nigerian princes send. Now, how do you do that? I'm about to tell you the 4 things you need to ensure. And listen closely, because missing one of them could ruin everything. First, remove any commonly used spam words from your email copy. To do that, simply paste your email into Mailmeter spam checker and change any highlighted words. Second, never send any attachments in the initial email. That includes images, memes, GIFs, looms, videos, and even links. Don't link your website or your booking link, not even in your signature. If you do have a link in your signature, change it to something that looks like this. Third, do not track open rate or link clicks. There's literally no need for this at all. I've been saying it for months. If you want to track open rate just so you could monitor the performance, don't. You can determine the results based on your reply rate. If reply rate drops, that might signal a problem. Fourth, constantly learn about Gmail's new policies. You can do that by subscribing to our channel or spending hours researching the web. I get that all of this might be tiresome, but these steps are crucial if you want to ensure that your emails get delivered and you keep booking sales calls. Gmail has shared that this change has been the most significant security improvement in the last 20 years. The AI rapidly learns and adapts based on the worst email types, so you have to stay on top of everything and make sure your emails don't sound like spam. Now, if you'd like to actually enjoy doing cold outreach without spending hours on these cumbersome tasks, I suggest you do one of 2 things. Either use Salesforge AI feature to send hyper-personalized cold emails that are unique to each recipient, essentially boosting your deliverability and staying out of spam by following all the latest Gmail policies, or hire Agent Frank so you could automate all of your outbound, leaving you with booked sales calls that you can take and close deal. I'll link both Salesforge AI tutorial and Agent Frank linked here. See ya!